Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today just some basics things. If you are a beginner, I will tell you how to conjugate avoir et être verbs. So you will learn the basics, how to conjugate them. Okay, let's start with être verb. Okay, so how to conjugate it with personal pronouns. So first is je, I, je suis. Yeah, it's totally different. So it's irregular verb, so it doesn't have any kind of rule, so you have to just remember it by your heart, like, you know. So je suis, you, tu es, he or she, il, elle, est. Then we, nous, sommes. And then you, but that this is a polite way to say vous. It's vous. Vous êtes. And then they, il, elle. Il for masculine, elle for feminine. Same here, il, elle. But you always use il if there is only one man in the group, amongst women, for example, or things. So you then use il. So it's easy to remember if there is a group of people, mixed people. So when you say they, you mean il, and you say il. But if there's only a group of women, you say elle. So elles sont. I, you, he, she, we, you, polite version, and they. And then avoir verb. So same thing. Je. And it's also irregular verb. And tu as. Tu as. Il, elle a. Nous avons. Vous. So I started to edit this video and then I noticed that, yeah, I didn't say avoir verb is have verb and être verb is be verb, and it's I have, you have, she, he has, we have, you have, they have, and then same here, she is, you are, so on. So sorry about that. Okay, let's go back to video. J'avais, il, elle, Jean. And what comes to pronunciation, here it's voiced sound z. Nous a, vous a, il, elle, Jean. And then it's not S, normal S sound, it's a voiced Z, S sound. Okay. And here the same thing. But when there is a 2s, the sound will not be voiced S sound. But when there is a vowel sound after S, it will be different. Okay, and of course there is a one more, it's O. And it's we. And normally I guess people say O. Onne. So when you start learning, I think the basic thing is that you don't worry too much pronunciation, but you focus on that you can speak, you can say these things, and when you start speaking, you start little by little having right and correct pronunciation. And as a beginner, it's good to check APA. It's not beer. It's International Phonetic Alphabet. So when you take a dictionary or you check on internet these words, you see how they are pronounced. So you can check like here we have nasal sounds O, and you can check those. And here we have kind of half vowel sound, yeah, suis. And also in French language there are these liaisons, we like here. So it's very important to know. And when there is like this T, if the next word start with a vowel, it will be connected to that word. So it will be il, e, and if it starts with U, then it will be tu. But yeah, that's more. That's something more. But this is a basic, and then I have studied French now 4 years. Soon 5 years. It will be my anniversary this year. So I think it's in March. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, or in February. Yeah, somewhere there. But as a foreign, when you're learning your kind of new language, like for example French, try to enjoy. Try to also be a little bit different than you normally are. Like you can act, or you can do something like you know, maybe you can something from that culture and some stereotypes, and you know, a little bit fool around maybe. Or because when we are relaxed, we learn and acquire better. And if you take too seriously, because I used to, I remember first years, when I started to study, I was so serious about this, and now I'm relaxed and I accept my mistakes, and I accept that I'm not perfect. So it's always when you are not a native speaker, there is this little thing like, but I wanna be a teacher. I wanna teach French, and I also learn and acquire things when I'm teaching. So when I'm planning something, and I might of course make mistakes, and it's normal. But I hope you there will start learning and yeah. So okay, wrap it up things here now. Call it a day. Hey, if you like these kind of videos, basics. Subscribe, leave a comment, and check my other videos. You can check my Instagram also. I put the links down below there. Yeah, okay. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Take care. Cheers.